All right. So here we are again, and we're gonna layer up the cup and go from there. So I'm going to start with my white. I have it in a big container. I might have to put some in a smaller container for pouring purposes. There we go. Oops. All right, so I think that is too much. It'll go down. Now I'm gonna do some gold. Fluorescent violet with pink tourmaline. And some Prussian blue. Deep turquoise. Just no rhyme or reason for my layering. I'm just layering it up. Try to keep with colors that work well together. They play nicely together, in other words. Okay, so those are my colors. I'm going to put a puddle in the middle, and then I'm going to start the pour. We'll be right back. All right, so here we go. Just a straight pour in there. Loving that. This is gorgeous. So I'm gonna leave what's in the cup in the cup. I was afraid there'd be too much white in the center. And we're gonna surround this with some white paint. Nice flood coat. I don't want the paint necessarily rolling around itself or rolling over itself. All right. So we're gonna spread this out. I'm not worried about losing the white mix. All right, so here we go. I'm going to give this a torch. I'm going to rotate this. There we go. Lots of air bubbles. That's what happens with a straight pour. I'm going to go this way first. Now I'm going to come this way because I really love what's going on here. And this is about controlling your composition. This area here is really, really pretty. It's not the same on this side. I'm not saying that it's ugly, it just doesn't have the same colors like the pinks in there next to the green. Sort of looks like lily pad flowers or something. So when you stretch this way, if I were to stretch this way first and then stretch this way, then I would lose more of this and it would open up this side of the puddle. If I stretch this way first, this will be probably mostly saved and I would lose more of this side, which I'm okay with because I want this side. It's hard to explain, I suppose. But that's how it is. Because I want to open up that area. Now I'm going to go over there. So you can see what I'm talking about in this area compared to over here. At least I hope you can. Might be losing my mind. Nope, you can. All right. I'm going fairly fast to be able to pull back. And I'm going to go right over to the other corner at this point. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm just going to keep it just as is. There we go. And I think this will be posted on ANIJ's birthday. And my dear friend, ANIJ the Great, her birthday is today. So if you guys could wish her a very happy birthday, she'll be pleasantly surprised. I don't think she knows it's her, that I know it's her birthday, but we're gonna set it up that way. So that is that, guys. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up in just 1 minute, and we'll see all the beautiful detail. All right, do you remember? Oops, let's autofocus here. There we go. And look at all those lines, they're so beautiful. Anyways, so, gosh. Remember when I was telling you about this side and all those beautiful colors? It is so pretty. And I don't mind the center. It's definitely okay. I love those alien cells right there. And all of these colors in here, they're so pretty. And then on this side, we don't have that same effect. And that is why I tilted that way first, because I could see what was going on in the canvas. I'm having terrible autofocus issues, but they're so pretty. There we go. Now, if only the whole piece was like that, that'd be pretty cool too. Beautiful striped layered cells. So a big shout out to ANIJ. Happy birthday. I hope this video finds you well and that you're pleasantly surprised. I hope you have a wonderful day. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support and all of your kindness, well wishes, and prayers during this difficult time. Bye for now.